Don't think we can be selling that. That's not really for me. And it hasn't even stopped yet. So next is our dog paw cleaner. Now, I've got high hopes for this one because this was one of the products I found when I was scrolling on Instagram. So let's have a little look. Well, that looks pretty good straight away. It certainly feels better quality, so that's cool. It's got good instructions by the looks of it. Yeah, with diagrams, and that's quite good. A little bit in there. If your dog doesn't like it to start with, it shows you how to get your dog to use it. So that's pretty good. Now, I think this could be our main product to focus on, or hero product, if you will. Let's see how it works.